Welcome again to our CorelDraw tutorial. This is part 2 of appreciating CorelDraw interface. Okay, so we are just going to go into the CorelDraw interface and then try to look at the features that are in the interface. So this is CorelDraw interface, and of course we're looking at the different part of CorelDraw, the tools, for example, toolbox, the color palette. Okay, so then of course we have the printable page, the whole of this area. Okay, this is a printable page. So while you're working with your project, you must ensure that whatever that you want to print out will fall inside this printable page. Otherwise, that will not be printed out. So this whole place is a printable page. Okay, so for example, if I have a rectangle in this place and then maybe color it with this color, when I print out, you see that this part that is off the printable page will not be printed out. For example, if I go check my print preview, just watch, you see that that part is cut off because it's not inside the printable page. Okay, so whatever you want to print out must be inside that printable page. Okay, so for example, this now is going to print out because it's falling inside the printable page. All right, so I just delete that shape. So we have the color palette. This is a color palette. Okay, now what happens is that the colors here will affect both the outline color and the fill color. So let me draw this rectangle. Okay, so I have this rectangle. I can do my work anywhere. Okay, for example, I can just go ahead and do everything that I want to do within here. So when I'm done, I'm about to print, I have to carry the shape into the printable page. Okay, so I have this shape, then I want to apply color from the color palette. Now in your mouse, there are two mouse buttons. You have the left mouse button. Let me just demonstrate that. The you can see this mouse. This is an example of a mouse here. So in you have the left mouse button and the right mouse button on your mouse. So for example, this is a grass green color. If I click an object, if I select an object and then I'll click with my right mouse button this way on this color, you see that my border is colored. Okay, but the inside color is not affected, which is the background color. So let me click this color. Okay, with the right mouse button I have my border is changed. But when I click that same color, autumn orange, with my left mouse button this side, you see that the inside color is changed. So this color is going to affect either the border or the background depending on the mouse button that I click. So if I click right mouse button, I have my border changed. Okay, if I click my left mouse button, I have the background changed. So let's try it again. I just click on blue with my right mouse button and see the border has changed here. Let me click that same place with my left mouse button, the inside is changed. I'll click on turquoise color. Okay, see the outline has changed. Okay, with that outline is applied using the right mouse button. Okay, now you can see this stuff here. This is no color. So when I click this no color with my left mouse button, I have no background anymore. Okay, If I click that place with my right mouse button, I have no outline anymore. So let me undo. Just undo. You can undo from here. This is undo. So I just undo the things that I just did now. Okay, so that's about the color palette. So the colors here will affect either the border or the background, depending on the mouse button that the user clicks. Right, so that's color palette. Then more importantly is the CorelDraw toolbox. CorelDraw toolbox. So we're going to look at this toolbox, the tools here one after the other. So I just want to remove some of these things. So select and delete. Okay, I want to select everything here. Okay, I'll teach you how I did that selection later in this course. So just make it small and then keep it here. Okay, so we're looking at the CorelDraw toolbox. So I'm going to continue with that in the next class.